In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a custom game on chess.com. This is perfect if you want to choose your own time control, decide whether the game is rated or unrated, and even pick the opponent you want to play against. A lot of players only use the quick play buttons, but chess.com actually gives you full control to create your own custom challenge with the exact settings you want. So if you want to play blitz, rapid, bullet, or even create a completely unique time format, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start a custom game in less than a minute. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple chess and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Here you'll find several icons for different sections of the site. Find the play icon, which looks like a small chessboard. Click on that play icon to open the play options. After clicking it, a submenu will appear with different ways to start a game. From this submenu, click on the play online. This will take you to the main online play screen where you normally start games against other players on chess.com. Once you are on the play online page, look near the top of the screen where you'll see different tabs for creating games. By default, chess.com may show the quick start option called New Game. Instead of using that, click on the tab labeled Custom Challenge. This is the section that allows you to fully customize how your chess game will be played. When you open the Custom Challenge tab, you'll see several options that control the settings of the match. The first important setting is the time control. Click on the time control box to choose how long the game will be. You can select a preset like bullet, blitz, or rapid, or you can manually type your own custom time. For example, you might choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even longer games if you want a slower and more strategic match. After setting the time control, look for the rated toggle option. Turning rated on means the result of the game will affect your official chess.com rating. If you just want to play casually without changing your rating, simply turn the rated option off. Next, you can choose who you want to play against. You can challenge a specific friend by entering their username, or allow chess.com to match you with another player online. Once all your settings look good, simply start the challenge and the game will begin as soon as your opponent accepts or the system finds a match. And that's how you make a custom game on chess.com. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.